In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print your Google Calendar step by step. Printing your Google Calendar can be a really handy way to keep track of your schedule if you prefer a physical copy or just want to have a backup handy. So let's dive right into it. First, let's open up the Google Calendar. You might already have it bookmarked or have the app installed, making this part super easy. Once you're in, take a look at the top right corner of your screen. You'll see a gear icon, which is your settings menu. Go ahead and click on that gear icon. This opens up a drop-down menu with various options. From there, find and select the print option. Doing this will bring up a new window where all your print options are displayed, and this is where the real magic begins. You'll now see a preview window with several options tailored to make your printout exactly how you want it. Let's break them down. The first thing you'll want to choose is the view. This allows you to decide if you want to print your calendar by day, week, month, or even in an agenda format. Next, there's the date range option, which is crucial for deciding what period of your calendar you want to print. Whether it's just a week ahead or the entire month, make sure you select the dates that you need. Font size is another option you can tweak. If you prefer larger text for easier reading, you have the options of small, medium, or large. Then there's the orientation choice. Do you prefer a portrait or a landscape layout? Your calendar might fit better one way over the other depending on your schedule, so make your selection wisely. There are also additional options that you may find useful, such as including weekends or declined events, which might be worthwhile if they are pertinent to your planning needs. Once you're satisfied with your selections, it's time to finalize and print. Look over everything one more time, and when you're happy, simply click the print button. You will then be prompted to choose your printer. If your goal is to have a digital copy instead, click on Save as PDF, which allows you to have a copy saved right on your computer. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to printing your Google Calendar. This process ensures you can have your schedule physically in hand or saved as a backup PDF. So next time you have a busy week ahead, or simply like having things organized on paper, you'll know exactly how to get it done. Thanks for tuning in, and happy scheduling!